Welcome back to the channel, everybody. I'm at a nearby wedding venue here. The Seneca's. Oh, I always say that wrong. The Silos at Seneca's. I'm gonna release the birds. We've got a wedding here this weekend, so I want to give them one toss from around here first to make sure they can make it home. I mean, if they don't, then I won't have anything to fly this weekend, so they better. Probably 15 miles from home, so we're really not too far. And they should make it home. It's getting a little late. It's like 7 o'clock, so I have about an hour and 20-30 minutes to get home for sunset. So they should be fine. Cutting it a little close, but you know, when you work 40 hours a week and then work even more when you get home from work, you know, you do what you can do. So, but let's do it before it gets any later. There they go. Home is that way. When I released them on, I don't know, a few days ago, I guess. It's probably about 5 miles, and they went completely the wrong way at first, but they all made it home within probably a half an hour or so. So I think they went like 5 miles in the complete wrong direction, and then one of them figured it out and directed the rest of them back home. 2 of them did not make it home until the very next day. I got home from work and they were sitting on top of the coop looking at me like, let me in, I'm hungry.
There again. Hi, cutie pie.
So we released 22 today. That's how many we released the other day. Same ones. I got one more still at home. Well, I got more than that. One more in these guys' coop. And then I got another maybe 10 or more white ones that aren't ready to be tossed yet. They're still flying around the house. What was that, babe?
This is really sturdy. This tripod.
Good. But as I said, I got a wedding here this weekend, so I just want to get them up to shape, make sure they know where they're going from here. We'll probably do a hand toss with 2 of them and then let the rest of them go after. We'll get some videos of that and put them on YouTube if the bride and groom don't care. I don't think they will. As far as I can tell, they're all still together, which is good. I was a little bit worried about these trees, that one of them would land in the trees like they did the other day. Not from here, but the last time I tossed them. They went to a nearby tree like 100 yards away, and 2 of them just stayed up in there. Which I'm guessing are the 2 that didn't come home till the next day. So they basically got single tossed, which is fine. Still flying around, so they haven't quite figured it out yet. Not getting high enough is the issue. They're staying, you know, right at tree level. You need to get up there higher so they can see where they are. They should know where they are by now. They should be.
Circling that one tree.
Yeah, they're just circling these couple of trees, which is, I don't know why they're doing that. They should be leaving here any minute. Hopefully they figured it out. Again, as far as I can tell, they're all still there. But that is the way home, so I think they're starting to figure it out, which is good. Sorry, huh? Well, looks like they're going the right way, so no 5-mile mishap this time. Well, I'm gonna end it here for now, and then I'll pick up when I get home when I see them. I'm gonna go home and fly the race team, so hopefully they make it home without any mishap. Yeah, I don't see them at all now, so they've got to be gone. All right, I'll be back. Well, we're home. It's been about a half an hour. Got the young birds out flying. Again, this is the race team. Got a youngster on the roof. Letting him catch a breath. It is warm out today. It's about 85 today. It's more like 75 right now. So it's cooled down a little bit, but it's still quite warm. So I'm gonna let him have a breather, and then I'm gonna chase him back up or get him into the coop, one of the two. But here in the loft, they're all back. So good signs everywhere. So released 22, and I got 22 back within a half an hour, about 15 miles. So, and as you saw, they were up there for a good 5 minutes or more, just circling. So once they figured out where home was, they beelined it right home, which is always good to see. I'm gonna keep these guys in the air for another, I don't know, 20 minutes or more. I'm gonna start calling them in before sunset. So as always, thank you for watching. If you're new, subscribe and share with a friend. If you can leave a like on the video, that'd be awesome. But again, thank you for watching. Until next time, take care, everybody. See ya.